Welcome back, creators. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated table saws. If you work with wood a lot, you'll need a garage or workshop because a table saw is one of the most important tools you'll need. It's a must-have for any builder or craftsman who needs to cut wood because no other equipment is capable of doing its job. When shopping for one, we understand that you want to get the most bang for your buck. That's why in today's video, we've compiled a list of the 7 top-rated table saws available on the market today. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the table saws that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first table saw on our list is the DEWALT Table Saw. The DEWALT Table Saw has a rack and pinion fence system that allows for quick, smooth, and accurate fence adjustments. Out of the box, you'll be getting one DEWALT Table Saw, a 10-inch 24-tooth carbide blade, a rolling stand, push stick, miter gauge, rip vents, 2-blade wrenches, and a blade guard assembly manual. In terms of size, it measures 31 by 24.5 by 31 inches and weighs 110 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the DEWALT Table Saw a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 26 1/4 inch by 22 inch table. The table's dimensions are 26 1/4 inches by 22 inches, which gives excellent material support. Onboard storage system. It features an onboard storage system which provides easy access to the side Pro Guard components and push sticks when not in use. 2-inch dust collection port. A 2-inch dust collection port connects easily to a vacuum for efficient dust extraction and minimal cleanup. Large heavy-duty wheels. It has large heavy-duty wheels that travel effortlessly over steps, curbs, and debris on the job site. Rolling stand. The saw is equipped with a rolling stand that allows for quick setup and breakdown while maintaining outstanding stability. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is there's no easy way to clean the lock head without removing the rail. The second table saw on our list is the Evolution Table Saw. The Evolution Table Saw uses patented Evolution multi-material cutting technology, which can cut steel, aluminum, wood, and plastic with just one blade. Steel is cut quickly, cleanly, and precisely, with no burrs and nearly no sparks. As for the size, it measures 36.3 by 29.55 by 14.7 inches and weighs 65 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Evolution Table Saw a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: powerful high-torque motor and clear and precise angle settings. It features a powerful high-torque motor and clear and precise angle settings for miter and bevel cutting. Adjustable blade height. The blade height can be adjusted for cutting a variety of materials. Built-in wheels. It comes with built-in wheels for convenient mobility and portability. Folding stand. The saw comes with a folding stand for easy storage. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it doesn't come with instructions on how to put it together, so you'll have to look for them on the internet. The third table saw on our list is the SawStop Table Saw. The SawStop Table Saw has a professional T-glide fence system that combines versatility and safety. It delivers the performance you require while providing the peace of mind that only SawStop's patented safety system can provide. For its size, it measures 69.12 by 33 by 34 inches and weighs 491 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the SawStop Table Saw a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: trunnion and arbor. The trunnion and arbor are built for precision, strength, and stability. Gas piston elevation system. It incorporates a gas piston elevation system that allows for smooth and easy adjustment. Control box. The control box houses the on and off switch, power paddle, and onboard computer, and it constantly verifies that all systems are functioning properly to keep you safe. Quiet and true pulley V-rib belts. It has quiet and true pulley V-rib belts for reliable power transfer and low vibration. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is there are no leveling feet on the cabinet. The fourth table saw on our list is the Goplus Table Saw. This table saw has a high-power 15-amp motor that produces low noise and delivers 5,000 revolutions per minute cutting performance to easily rip through various types of hardwood. Additionally, it has a 26-inch rip capacity-coated aluminum tabletop that can easily rip through thicker wood and reduce extra friction for smoother sliding. In terms of size, it measures 29 by 23 by 15 inches and weighs 46 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Goplus Table Saw a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 36T Carbide Tip Blade. It has a 36T carbide tip blade with a clear guard and a riving knife to protect you from flying chips and inadvertent injuries. Stands heavy-duty design. The table saw stand's heavy-duty design efficiently prevents table overturn when cutting. Large hand wheel. It has a large hand wheel for controlling the blade lift, which is useful for a variety of tasks like slotting, tearing, and cutting. Self-aligning rip fence. This self-aligning rip fence with parallel guides on both sides makes cutting more precise and stable. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, to operate it requires one lithium-ion battery. The fifth table saw on our list is the BOSCH Table Saw. The BOSCH Table Saw with gravity rise wheeled stand combines professional grip capacity with exceptional portability for a tool that can handle any project. It sports a 15-amp motor that produces 4.0 maximum horsepower for high productivity. As for the size, it measures 27 by 32.5 by 13 inches and weighs 110 pounds. Trusted ShopPyGuide.com has awarded the BOSCH Table Saw a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: soft start circuitry. It incorporates soft start circuitry for a smooth but quick ramp-up to the operating speed. Constant response circuitry. The saw has constant response circuitry to help keep the speed consistent when the blades is being used. Overload protection and restart protection. It contains overload protection and restart protection to prevent inadvertent startup. Square lock grip fence. The square lock grip fence is designed to be extremely accurate and easy to use. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the saw is a bit heavier and harder to raise into position. The sixth table saw on our list is the SKIL Heavy Duty Table Saw. The SKIL Heavy Duty Worm Drive Table Saw is the company's newest table saw. It features a famous worm drive powertrain that produces excellent performance, a 3 to 5 8-inch depth of cut, and a 30.5-inch rip capacity. For its size, it measures 52.6 by 29.53 by 35.08 inches and weighs 94.3 pounds. Trusted ShopPyGuide.com has awarded the SKIL Heavy Duty Table Saw a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: rack and pinion system. The rack and pinion system allows for quick and smooth fence adjustments for precise cuts. Rugged rolling stand with 16-inch wheels and easy load handles. It comes with a rugged rolling stand with 16-inch wheels and easy load handles for unmatched mobility. Dust port elbow. The dust port elbow collects material in one location for easy cleanup. Outfeed and left support. It includes an outfeed and left support allowing one person to make larger cuts. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the riving knife cannot be easily removed. The seventh table saw on our list is the SKIL Table Saw. The SKIL Table Saw has a 15-amp motor that quickly rips through hardwoods with ease. It also has rack and pinion fence rails that make fence adjustments fast, smooth, and accurate. In terms of size, it measures 27.17 by 28.74 by 16.93 inches and weighs 51.2 pounds. Trusted ShopPyGuide.com has awarded the SKIL Table Saw a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: integrated foldable legs. The integrated foldable legs seamlessly form into a folding stand to provide portability and convenience. Dust port elbow. A dust port elbow is included, which progressively redirects dust to a container for easy cleanup. Parallel blade alignment. The parallel blade alignment makes blade adjustment easy. Safety anti-restart switch. It features a safety anti-restart switch in case of power outages. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it doesn't currently offer a dado throat plate. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated table saws, which got our team at Trusted ShopPyGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next table saw roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We'll look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShopPyGuide.com again soon.